Hey guys, welcome to SKO6 programming. Today we'll see a program to calculate GCD of two numbers using iteration. GCD, that is the greatest common divisor of two numbers, the largest positive integer that divides both the numbers. So here is the code and let's see. Int GCD is equal to 0. First we will initialize our answer GCD to 0. Now int AB, enter the two numbers AB. So we will make the user enter both the numbers A and B for which he want to find the HCF. Okay, now for int I equal to 2, I is smaller than equal to A, I plus plus. So here is the for loop and we will start from 2 and continue till we reach the number we have entered. That is, in the for loop we are going to divide A and B by all the numbers till A. Now here is the if statement in the for loop. If A modulo I is equal to 0 and B modulo I is equal to 0. So we have used here logical operator and which means that the statement is true only when both the conditions are satisfied. If any one of the conditions is false, then the whole statement is going to be false and the statement is not going to be executed. So the if statement is only going to be executed when both A and B is divided by I. Now let's assume A and B to be 4 and 8. Okay, now for int I equal to 2, I is smaller than equal to A, I plus plus. I means 2 here. Now 2 is smaller than 4. We will go into the for loop. Now if 4 modulo 2 is equal to 0 and 8 modulo 2 is equal to 0. Now the condition 1 holds true as 4 modulo 2 is 0, that is 4 is divided by 2. So the condition is true and we will see condition 2 now, which is B modulo I, 8 modulo 2, yes it's 0. So both the conditions are true, so the if statement is true. Now we will execute the statement. If GCD is smaller than I, GCD is 0 initially and I is 2. Now GCD is equal to I, GCD is going to be 2 as the if statement GCD is smaller than I is true. Now we will again go back to for loop. This time I is 3. Now if A modulo I is equal to 0, that is 4 modulo 3 is equal to 0. Now this is a false statement, it's not 0, it's 1, that is 4 cannot be divided by 3 giving the remainder 0, so it's false. Now no matter whether the other condition is true or false, if the first statement is false, our whole if statement is false. So the if statement now is not going to be executed and we will go back to the for loop. Now I is 4, 4 is equal to 4, yes it's true, we will go into the for loop. Now if 4 modulo 4 is equal to 0, yes it's true. Now second condition, 8 modulo 4 is equal to 0, yes it's true. Now both the conditions are true and we will execute if statement. If GCD is smaller than I, GCD is now 2. At this point of time GCD is 2. 2 is smaller than I, which is 4. Yes it's true. Now GCD is going to be I, which is now 4. GCD is equal to 4. So we have got our answer 4. Now we'll go back to the for loop. This time I is 5. I is smaller than 5 or 4. 5 is smaller than 4 is a false statement. Now we will come out of the for loop. Now after the for loop, see out GCD is GCD. So we have got our answer 4. Now let's test the code. Enter the two numbers 4, 8. GCD is 4. Yes, let's test for another number. 4, 16. GCD is 4. Let's test for another 15, 6. GCD is 3. Yes, it's true. So the code is working and now you can copy this code and try it out yourself. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, then subscribe to our channel SKO6. Goodbye.